Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this part 3 video of this exercise, we are learning go down features in Tally. So let's understand what are the go downs. So go downs are those particular units, physical locations of the company where they usually store the goods. So it can be a retail outlet or a place where the goods has been sold or goods are stored. So there are chances where you can buying the goods on that locations, or you are selling the goods from that locations, or you are transferring the goods from that one location to another location. So now let's learn that go down features, how we can use it into Tally. So first we have to enable the go downs feature into Tally. By default they are not active. So to enable the go downs features, we have to go into F11. So let's open up our company Srinath Medicals. Now we go into F11, then we go into the inventory features. So here we have into the inventory features the option maintain multiple go downs, which we have to put it as a yes. So we come into the maintain multiple go downs. You see it is no, we put it as a yes, and then we accept this screen. Now how to create a new go down? So to create a new go down, we have to go to inventory info, then go downs, and then create. So we have to create two different go down, one as a store and another as a shop. We come into inventory info, go downs, and create. So first go down is a store. The other options we are just keeping as a default. The second go down is a shop. Okay, so we have both the go downs created. Now let's come into the transaction entry. So we have first purchase entry. So we come into Tally, we go into gateway. From gateway we go to accounting vouchers, and for purchase we have F9. So in F9 we'll enter the purchase transaction with go down. So here the date is 1st of April. We change the date by F2. We make it as a 1st April. Then we go into next field. It is saying supplier invoice number, which is 552. We put 552. And then party account. We are buying the goods from Ekta Medicals. So here we select Ekta Medicals. Now we select our items. Those are the first item, Nivea cream. Now you see here it is asking in which go down you are buying the goods. So you see main location was automatically created by Tally before we activated. So here there are two go downs, which is shop and then store. So we first ensure that this goods has been purchased at with go down. So here it is purchased at a store. So we select store. Now there is quantity and then rate. So we put the quantity and then we put the rate, and we come out of this screen. So here we have entered the go down quantity and rate for the first item. Now we select the second item. We put the go down, that is store. We put the quantity, then rate. So we are through with the both items. Now we add up the SGST and then CGST. SGST and CGST. So you see the e-way bills option, for which we for time being we are putting no. You see the amount is same as what it is in the Word document. So our entry is correct, and then we save it. Now we come to next entry, that is a sales entry. So here we put the sales entry into F8. We have sold on the 2nd of the April. So we change the date to 4. Under party account name, we are selling to Tulsi Chemist. We select the item. So here we have to select the godown is the location from where we are selling. So here we are selling from store location. So we select the store. Here you see there is what is the available stock on that particular godown is also listed. So we put the store and then we put how much quantity we have sold at what rate. So we sold 250 at the rate of 210. So in similar way we have to add next item. So here also we are selling from store godown. Put the quantity and then rate. Now we will add the tax portion as GST and CGST. We ignore the e-way bill details and check the total amount. So this is how you enter the sales and purchase transactions with godown. Now there may be a scenario where you are transferring the goods from one location to another location. For example, here we have, it is called as a godown transfer, internal godown transfer. That's not the purchase or sales. So here we are transferring from the store location to the shop godown. So to enter that particular transaction, we have to come out of accounting voucher. From gateway we have to go to inventory vouchers. In inventory voucher, which is says stock journal, transfer of material. So it has two sections, one says source and another says destination. So here we come into the source section. We put the first item where it is Nivea cream. So now you see the our source location is a store. So here we select the store. We put the quantity, that is 100. Rate tally will automatically calculate from the system. Now we add the another item. We put the source location store and then we put the quantity. Now this is the source. Now we have come into the destination part. We select again the same item. You put the destination godown, that is a shop. The quantity should be remain the same because the same quantity to be received. Now here the rate you can put as per the source godown. Then another item and then the second item. So this is called as a internal godown transfer. We are transferring the goods from the store godown to the shop godown and we save this entry. Now these are the entries involved into the godowns. Now we see the godown wise stock report. How you can access the stock for each location. Now we have two locations, one store and one shop. So how much stock we have at both the location. So we go to display, statement of inventory and then godown. So we come out and then go to display. Then we go to statement of inventory and then godown. So you see here we have three locations. Prime main location, store and shop. We go into store. You see, you make it detailed Alt F1. You see we have two items. For both the stock has been mentioned here. We go into shop. We have stock for this item at the shop. Now before we activated godown features, whatever the stock was there, it was for the main location. So you see, before we started with the godown, our previous stock is automatically shifted into main location. And primary will show all the three locations. So this is how we maintain the accounts with the godown management in Tally.